I'll give you 30 seconds. If you have any question from the homework, can you please send to me now? If you've got any question from the homework, you can send to me now. 30 seconds. If you don't have any questions from the homework, then we're going to move on. We're going to move on. Last lesson, we have finished about this topic. We talk about the formulas. We talk about how do we find the formulas and the formula word problems. So this lesson, we're going to continue. Today, we look at number sequences. So when we look at the number sequences here, the first, we look at what kind of sequences we are looking for. So what is number sequences first? So if it says number sequences, the first it could be what type of sequence we can say is number sequences. So for example, the number could be adding or subtracting by the same number. What do I mean by saying this? So for example, the question could be says 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. You can say every single time we're adding 5. We're adding 5 every single time. So we say add 5 to the previous number. So how you're going to get this answer. Okay, so the second part, it could be take away by the same number. Take away by the same number. So in this case, the question could give you, say, 60, 52, and 44, etc. This is the typical questions this number sequence is about. The second part for number sequences is the questions always ask you to find out the missing number. So for example, we say this find the missing number. So where is the find the missing number? For example, question could give you say this. Question give you say, I give you a couple numbers. So 6, 10, 14. The question asks you, can you please find out 100th number? Find a 100th number. If I want to find a 100th number, then what we're going to do for this one. So the way we work this out is like this. So you can say, to find a 100th number, the first step 1 is to find out Einstein formula. Find the Einstein formula. To find the Einstein formula, so you can get UN is equal to A minus D plus Dn. A minus D plus Dn, so A, which is the first number, which is 6. D is the difference, which is 10 take away 6. It should become 4. So now we can find the UN is A minus D plus Dm. So we can get like 6 take away 4 plus 4n. So 6 minus 4, which is 2. So 2 plus 4n. So how you get the answer from? This is nth term formula, you know. Now we find the 100th number. Find the 100th number, which is n is equal to 100. N is equal to 100, so you can say it's A is 2 plus 4 times by 100. You put numbers in, so kind of UN is equals to 2 plus 4 times by 100. So 4 times 100 is 400. So 2 plus 400, answer is 402. This is how you work out for this question. This question we have done. Now let's move on. Can you please bear this in mind? Let me write this down. A is represented for the first number. D it will represent for the difference. The difference, it stands for the second number take away the first number. Bear this in mind. So bear this in mind. So we look at the next one. It's the second number take away the first number. So look at this one here. Can you please try to work this out? 7, 12, 17, 22. So in this case, we can find out what A is, what it is. They find a final answer. I will try them. Find out what is A, what is D, and then can you please find out UM, find the nth term formula? Once you find the UM, can you please find out 100th number? Find the 100th number. Send me the answer, please. Let's have a look. Okay, Danny, your answer. I think your answer is right. Good. Okay, time's up. Orange, let me look at your answers. Okay, good. Both answers right. Okay, for this question, this is a very typical question. Because why did I say this question is quite a typical question? Because for this question, it's very clear. The question gives the A already. You know, A is the first number, 7. D is the difference, 12 take 7 is equal to 5. So in that case, we can say UM is equal to A minus D plus DM. A minus D plus DM. A minus D, A is the first number, which is 7. This becomes 7 take 5 plus 5. Become 2 plus 5. So how you work it out for this one? This is 2 plus 5. This is 2 plus 5. We work this out. The next one we can look at, we'll look at another one. So for example, the question asking me about 100th number. If I know 100th number, which means n is equal to 100. If m is equal to 100, um is a 2 plus 5 times by 100. It then becomes, remember, at this stage, we will use BMS. 2 plus 500, and so it becomes 502. Okay, so for the first one, we have done. Next one. Next question. Can you try another one? In this case, question give you decimals. Think about it. Can you do question B? Question give to you 3.1, 4.5, 4.6, 6.1, etc. First, question asks you, can you find out UN? Second, questions ask you, can you please find out 50th number? This time, I'm not going to show you the example, so try this question, please. Raymond, your first answer is right. Your second answer I need to double check. Danny, your first answer is right. Second answer need to double check as well. Okay, thumbs up. I was on the board. Look at how you work this out. In this case, this is question give you decimals. We still follow the same formula. The formula we are following is A minus D plus dm. A is the first number, which is 3.1. D is the difference, 4.6, take away 3.1. Answer is 1.5. So UM is A minus D, 3.1, take away 1.5, plus 1.5m. Answer become 1.6 plus 1.5m. So the question is 50's number. N equal to 50. So UN is equal to 1.6 plus 1.5 times by 50. So it becomes 1.6 plus 75 is 76.6. So how you got this answers? So original answer is right. Good. Not many of you can get this question right. Let's practice another one. Hopefully this time more people can get it right now. Just starting from 2.6, 3.5, 7.4. The questions ask you, first find the UN, second, can you find the 80th number? Try this question, please. Look at the answer. Look at the questions here. The question give you different options here. You can say the first one, the questions ask you to find the UM. To find the UM is equal to A minus D plus Dm. A, which is the first number. So which number is the first number here? First number, which is 2.6. D is the difference. If I take it 2.6, it becomes 2.4. So therefore, UN is A minus D plus Dn. So it will become 2.6 minus 2.4 plus 2.4n. So bear this in mind. 2.6 take away 2.4. The answer is equal to which number? Is 0.2. So 0.2, then we times by which number? 0.2 plus 2.4n. So how we got answers here? Now we got answers for this one. The questions I ask you, can you find out the 80th number? Find the 80th number, which means n is equal to 80. N is to 80. N is to 80, so what are we going to do for that? N equal to 80, we just put 80 in. So UN is equals to 0.2 plus 2.4 times by 80. So 0.2 plus 192. Answer is 192.2. So orange, your answer is right. Good. Okay. So this, we have done decimal type questions. Now let's move on to the next type. The next type of questions, can you please try this one? The decreasing questions. Decreasing questions. Can you try this one? 6. Let's say 3, 0, minus 3. First, question asks you to find the UN. Second, can you find out 100th number? That could be 1 minute. You think about how you're going to do this one first. Especially for this one, you need to find out what number we can use for D. What does D represent for? Then you can work this out. Have you finished already? So look at this one here. Well, first we'll look at the formula. The formula we said is A minus D plus Dn. So you can say UN is equals to A minus D plus Dn. A is to represent for the first number. So which number is the first number in this case? We can say the first number, which will become 6. D What does D represent for? Is the second number take away first number? 3 take away 6. Answer is -3. So we found out A, we found out D. So what can I do next? You can find out, so un is A minus D plus Dn. So it becomes 6 minus -3 plus Dn plus -3n. So minus and minus become plus. So 6 plus 3 plus and minus become -3n. So this is 9 take away 3n. Okay, this is 9 plus -3n. This is how you get answer from. So second, the question asks you, you can say the reason why some of your answers wrong is because the D is always the second number take away first number, but some of your answers make it become big number take a small number. That cannot be right. So we can work it out. N equal 100. So UN is become 9 take away 3 times by 100. It become 9 take away 300. Become minus 291. That's how you work out. Okay, now let's do a similar one to check you understand this or not. Like this question. Question asks you first find the UN, second can you find the 50th number? Try this one, please. Okay, have you finished this one already? Do this question together to see how to work this out. First one, we look at un. Un is like a minus d plus dm. A is the first number. A is the first number, so you can say A is equals to which number? 16. D is the difference. 10 take away 16. Answer is minus 4. So un will become A minus d plus dm. It become A is 16 minus 4. As you can see, we can write like this: A minus d plus dm. So in this case, what we're going to do next? Minus and minus, they become plus. So 16 plus 4, plus and minus become minus 4n. So it becomes 20. Take away 4n. So this is 20 take away 4n. So this is 20 take away 4n. That's how we got answer from. Okay, so bear this in mind. We need to verify the answer first. Every single time you got a number, you think about, because this is one of the answer I got it from the message board. So now let's verify it to say this answer is correct or not. How do I know this answer is right or not? So for example, if this answer is right, if n equal 1, so you can say the first number, u1, should be 20, take away 4 times by 1, which should become 16. So it match up. However, if you try n equal 2, so the second one will become 20, take away 4 times by 2, so it becomes 12. Does not match up. So which means this answer, it is wrong. This answer is wrong. So this answer is wrong. So what can we do for this question then? What can we do for that? So we can find out it's like A minus d plus dm. Must be something wrong at the beginning. Do you notice that which part this answer got wrong, which I copied from the message board here? Anybody who spotted already? The mistake this answer got is for this part, because this part should be minus 6. However, the part is minus 4. That's how you got answer wrong. So bear this in mind. Let's correct answer here. So this is A minus D minus 6 plus minus 6n. So it becomes 22, take away 6n. 22 minus 6n, so the next part, what number can we get for the... So now we can verify again. If n equal 1, it becomes 16, n equal 2, 12 take away 6 times 2, is exactly equals to 10. So we try two numbers, is match up. So this answer, it is correct. The answers are correct here. So now let's carry on. The questions ask you to find out the 15th number. The 15th number, so n is equal to 50. So you can get is like 22, take away 6 times by 50. 22 take away 6 times by 50 is like 22 take away 300. 22 take 300. Answer is minus 278. Minus 278. Okay, this is for this question. This is for this question. Okay, bear this in mind. Now let's move on to the next part. The next part you can look at is I talk about how do we verify a number is in the sequences. So for example, in this case, the question gives you like this. If I make this one larger, the example, question tells you that your n equals 3n minus 2. Just for example here, the question asks you, does 121 in the sequences? In this type of questions, what do we have to do? The question does not tell you anything. The question only asks you to find out, to verify the answer is in the sequences or not. The tricky part for this, you just need to use answer equals to the original number. Then you can find out. So for example, in this case, what can we do? We just use the answer, which is 121, is equal to 3n minus 2. This is 3n minus 2. So the opposite calculation, we solve this one with plus 2 on both sides. So it becomes 123, it becomes 3n. Then we divide by 3 on both sides. See, you can say n is become 41. This is a whole number because 41 is a whole number. So it is in the sequences. It is in the sequences. Okay, this is how you work this out. Okay, bear this in mind. Can you try another one yourself? This time, question gives you un is 6n minus 11. Questions ask you, does 200, I change another number, 889 into sequences? Okay, send me the answers once you have done, please. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. If we want to say some numbers in the sequences or not, let me write down steps here. Step 1, use a un equals to this number. What mean by this number? Which number you want to verify? You put this number. In this case, you can put it as 6n minus 11 become 889. Second, step 2. Solve it. If n is a whole number, then it is intersequences. So in this case, you can say this is 6m minus 11 become 889. 6m minus 11 equal 889. So can we add 11 on both sides? We solve it. You can get 6m equal 900. So divide by 6, and equal 150. And equal 150. This is how you work out for this question. Okay, bear this in mind. Let's try another one. Try. Question given you m is equal to 5m minus 4. For example, like this. Question asks you, does 60 intersequences? Okay, send me the answer, please. Okay, thumbs up. For this question, I only received one correct answer for orange. Your answer is right. So this is actually no. Why is no here? Is because the question given to you, we just use 60 is equal to 5m minus 4. The way we work this out, we said we solve this equation. If n is the whole number, then it is in the sequences. If it is not a whole number, it's not in the sequences. So now let's have a look. This is minus 4. We're adding 4 on both sides. So become 64, become 5m. So we can divide by 5 on both sides. You can get n is equal to 64 over 5. 5 does not go into 64. So we can find out 60 is not in the sequences. Okay, this is what we have done. Now let's carry on. Sometimes the question could give you some word problems. So for example, question give you this one. Send me the answers. Have a try, please. I need you to do this question. I need to do question C and question C. 1C and 2C. Think about how you're going to do this. Your question give you word problems. Think about it. Okay, thumbs up as on the board. So look at these questions here. So look at the question. Question says the 28th pattern. The 28th pattern, here's the formula. This is 4, 7, 10. So A is the first number, which is 4. D is the difference. 7 take away 4, it becomes 3. So UN will become A minus D plus DM. So it becomes 4 take away 3 plus 3n. The answer is 1 plus 3n. 1 plus 3n. So in this case, how do you work out for this one? So we can find the UN, the 28th pattern. So 28th pattern, so it can become 28th pattern. So n is equal to 28. So first one is like U 28th pattern is 1 plus 3 times by 28. 85. And the second one, question 2C, 100 matches. 100 matches, they become 100 equals to 1 plus 3n. We take a 1 on both sides, is 99 equal to 3n. 99 plus equal to 3n. Okay, so we can get the answer. We can divide by 3. We can divide by 3. So n is equal to 33. N is equal to 33. So how you work out for this one? Okay, homework. So today we finished all the sequences part. So today we also finished the whole chapter as well. The homework, can you please do first study book, there is more test. Okay, on the study book on page 64. You can check. Second, Target Math, Year 6 book. Part of BNC. And the third one, the question book. The question book, can you please do page question book, I think you can do page 30. To page 30. Okay, that's it. So this is your homework. Have a nice day and see you. Bye.